Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Happy Mother's Day. Today is Sunday, May 8th. So I wanted to do a short little video today. I wanted to spend a little of my Mother's Day with you because you guys are really important to me. And so I wanted to get on here and tell everybody Happy Mother's Day. I'm sure you guys are out doing your things with your family and loved ones. But if you don't have people around you, I wanted to be with you. So here's my big hug. And I just wanted to wish all the fur mamas, the moms, everybody that plays that role in people's lives, thank you. Thank you so much. You know, moms make the world go around. Don't get me wrong, dads out there. Dads are amazing too. We couldn't, go on without them. But, us moms, we keep everything going and in line. So I wanted to say that. And I actually had to work today. So I worked a short shift home, but I woke up to the wonderful smell of coffee. I literally was walking down the stairs and my husband was at the bottom with my mom Ray Dunn mug with the most delicious coffee. He had ground this morning. He had a little Danish for me, flowers and gift card. He's the best. He really is. And my oldest made sure he called me bright and early to wish me Happy Mother's Day. He knew I had to work today, so we're getting together on another day. My youngest came home and was like, Happy Mother's Day. He was at a friend's house. So my Mother's Day started out wonderful. Work was easy, in and out today, which was nice. And so I'm like, I really want to spend a little time with my YouTube family and just tell you guys how much I appreciate you coming back every week and share some of my goodies. I was hoping to share something that's coming in the mail that's supposed to be here today from FedEx. So it's not, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. My uncle, the one I take care of and help, when I was out hunting for the green canister, he kept saying, if you find it, I want to buy it for you. You do so much for me, I want to buy it for you. Well, as you all know, I didn't find it. And he said, well, what about if you go online? Can you find it that way? I said, well, it'll be more. And he said, that's okay, you're worth it. So I went online and I actually found something. I know I said I don't like to pay the upcharges, but this was a gift from him. And he really wanted to do this for me for everything that I do for him. I don't ask him for nothing. I just do it because I love him. So I went online and found a reasonable priced one. I mean, I think it ended up being $50 something, and or it was $50, and then I paid the shipping. And I said, are you sure that's okay? He's like, yeah. He goes, yes. So I got the green canister. It's coming. It's just not here yet. I really was hoping to show you guys. I kept putting it off today, doing this, and it's here. I mean, it's not here, but it's coming. So I have the green canister. Now, I have some other items I wanted to show you real quick. I was gonna plug in like what I saw throughout the week, but I'm gonna just add that onto next week's Ray Dunn. So this is a little haul, and I do have Ray Dunn in it. First, I want to share, which we had already used. Oops. Onion and cilantro for Cinco de Mayo. My husband made the most amazing street tacos. They were so good, you guys. Honestly, we probably wouldn't have got anything better within going out to eat. So we used my bowls, and we are always doing stuff with cilantro and onions. So, you know, I have the guacamole and salsa and queso one. So we love doing taco nights a lot. That's huge in our house, or burritos or whatever. So these were perfect for me. By the way, these were from Homegoods, $9.99 for the two. So yeah, so I got those. Now this next one, thank you, Jackie. Jackie was out shopping. This is my new friend I've made through Dunn. She picked it up for me, and then I just reimbursed her. But thank you so much, Jackie. I really appreciate it, because I feel like I'm complete now. Once I get that canister, then I will be complete. Galinda the Good Witch. This one, I don't know if there's no, I can't remember how much this was. I think it was like 20 something, I don't know. But it's not the chubby. It's like a medium sized canister, has the pink top. But look at that. So it's just like the mug, but I'm so excited. I have it all. That's why I haven't done the coffee bar. I really was waiting on and trying to get ideas of things to put on there. So hopefully, fingers crossed, next week I will have that for you. I know everybody's like excited to see it. I hope I don't let people down, because sometimes when you guys are so excited or want to see something I did, I put so much pressure on myself for it to be perfect and for it to be creative. Like when I do my mantle for Halloween every year, or even Christmas, like I put so much pressure on myself, because I want to love it, and I want you guys to love it, and I want you to be wowed. So I'm hoping next week I will have that. But I got a couple things from Target I want to share with you while we're on here. Now, same friend, Jackie, showed me this, and I hadn't seen it yet, okay? It's for your plants. It's a wood plant stand. But you all know what we can do with these. We can put our Dunn. She was talking about probably staining it. I really like that idea as well. You could put your canisters here. You could have, you know, a small, a medium, and a baby. You know, how cool is that, right? This is in the Target dollar spot. Once again, it's for $5, and I love it. I love it. As soon as she showed me that, I was like, I need that. I need that. So that day I got the canister from her, and I went and found that. I was so tired, you guys, but I went to 2 Targets, found it. Also, I found this. So they have ones that are a little taller. Now they've done these little baskets before, but I don't remember them having. So it's just a basket storage with a lid, and that was $5. And so I know they've done these baskets before many times. I even have some. The only thing is, I wish they would have had other colors. They did have this cream, and they had 2 different colors in the short ones like this, and then they had a tall one and 2 different colors. But I really like the short squatty. I think this is great. I can put this on my shelf. I can hide little things in there. Yeah, right? And it's that, I wish it would say exactly what it was made out of, but it doesn't. But it's, you know, that material I love. And then down here is like a rope So it's really nice. Now, one other thing was this, which anybody out there getting ready to get married or have a graduation party or something like that, I thought this was great. You can also use it for whatever. It's just a chalkboard. Open the shutter doors and write your message. I thought this was really cool. This was $5, and you know my youngest will be graduating next year. I know if you guys have been around a while, you've seen me collecting stuff last year from the Dollar Tree of stuff for graduation. But that's what it looks like. And I was just thinking we could write little messages, because I'm probably going to do maybe like a candy bar, or I actually thought of a taco bar, because I told you we love tacos, and that would be really cool to have a big taco bar. I could write messages on there. I could use this in my own kitchen, whatever, right? Really cute. And so it obviously can stand, or it has the hanger on the back. So it's definitely versatile. You know what I'm saying? So that is it for the haul. You know, I told you I really have slowed down. I'm buying stuff. I'm trying not to, but I am actually getting focused, because it's so crazy. I know parents are getting ready for their kids this year, but I'm thinking for next year already. I'd rather purchase most of the stuff beforehand, and that way basically our cost that we'll have when the party is just the food and things like that. But if I get all the decor and all of that ahead of time, then we're good. Sorry, here, look at this wind. Look at this wind. That wind just keeps kicking up on me. But that's it for the haul. So once again, happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful mamas out there, fur mamas, any kind of mama. Happy Mother's Day to you. I hope you do have a wonderful day, and you guys are treated like the queens you are, and that you rest, you know, just have a peaceful, wonderful day. I know there's a lot of us out there that don't have our moms, and I am one of them. I lost my mom probably about over 10 years ago. So today can be really tough. It can be emotional, you know, but I try to think of, you know, my mom was very sick, and I know she's in a better place. And I do wish I'd give anything in the world to have her back, even just for one more day. I'm not going to cry. But I know there's a lot of us out there that have that. So, know I'm with you today, and that, you know, they're most like they are in a better place. I know we want to be selfish and we want to hold on and keep them, you know. So, know I'm here with you, and that I love you, and just remember those wonderful times that you had with them, the time you spent. And you know, if you still have your mom, your grandma, make sure you, even if you can't be with them today, call them. Tell them how much you love them. Don't let a day slip away that you don't let them know how much they mean to you. You know, that's important. And that's really with any of your loved ones. You know, let's not forget that. So I'm going to go ahead and say my goodbyes. Make sure you give me the big thumbs up. And yeah, just have a wonderful day. Be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.